What's up, you guys? It's Ashley and I'm back with another video. Today we're going to count my locks. So as of the day that I'm posting this video, I've had my locks for 4 years and 2 months. Yeah. So I just took out 2-strand twists, and that's why my hair is so curly, and this is one of my favorite styles to wear my hair in. The last time I counted my locks was before I had a missing lock. If you don't know why I was missing a lock, go check that video out. But yeah, I felt like it was time for me to recount my locks, make sure everyone was accounted for, you know, do a little roll call, and yeah. My arm started getting tired. So I have 53 locks. Okay. As always, thank you for watching another one of my videos, and I'll see you next time. Bye.